find gold, you find a Wells Fargo bank. Let's one right here. And anytime you find a bank, you find bank robbery. And I think there's some in town today.
How y'all doing today? All right. I just got into town last night, and I found out this town ain't got no sheriff. And I'm a bank robber. I come into this town and robbed that bank. And I want you folks to stay right where you're at. And I'll be right back. All right, $20,000 in gold, just my lucky day and my payday. Any one of you ladies want to go dancing? I'm a pretty good dancer too. No dancing? Come on now. Hold it right there. Excuse me. You're carrying stuff along to me. How do you feel it belongs to you, mister? I'm a bank robber, and I went in that bank all on my own to get this gold. You know who I am? No, who are you? I'm a bank robber. Anybody know what that is?
A thief.
Must be something new. Put the gold down, I won't have to shoot you. You want this? Come get it! We'll quit shooting! Quit moving! Don't quit shooting! Quit moving! Look, thank you to yourself. Give me the gold. You know, I'm thinking a fair fight. I can talk to you. I'm still standing here, ain't I? If you're still out of attention. You hold your horses a minute, mister! Hey, folks! Support your local bank robber! If you think I can take him in a fair fight, say yeah!
Yeah!
Alright! You got family here? I do! Wait a minute! Think you do better than that? You know I can play for, right? Yeah!
He's got an extra gun.
You want to do this? You bet! Are you ready? Yeah! Well, you said you were ready. Well, I wasn't that ready! You never want to be ready. Give me the gold. You know what I've seen one time? On the click of a clock, they started shooting one another. I think that's pretty fair on the click of a clock. A clock.
There is no clock. He's gonna take the gold.
Get out of the way, we're missing here. I've been watching you guys out here. I've got an idea, it's very square. Nobody will get it. What are we gonna do? Very simple. I'll drop this coin in the air, whichever one of you hits it, the gold. The gold? The gold. That's one. Right. Gold's mine. You're wasting your time. I'm taking the gold. You couldn't hit the ground with your hat. That gold's mine! Okay, here we go. I got it! Did you see that? You didn't throw it right. He forgot to throw it right, guys. I'll get it this time. I'm catching the gold this time. I'm hitting that coin dead center. I'm catching the gold. That coin's mine. Okay, here we go.
Yeah!
I hit it. It's mine. Did you? Oh!
better plug him again. He's still breathing.
Yeah.